Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a fabulous weekend. I am so excited. I've had so many boxes start rolling in. It's like the best week of the month for us unboxers. We get so many boxes this week. This is about the second week of the month. But anyways, I put up a poll because I had so many boxes. I wanted to know, what did you want to see first? And one of the options was a brand new beauty subscription, and that is winning by a landslide. So that is what I will be unboxing today. I am unboxing Glimzy, and this is a brand new subscription. I believe this is their very first month, and this is a beauty subscription. From what I've read, this was started by some college students in Minnesota, which is super cool. The fact that they can even manage school and doing this at the same time, super awesome. So I originally found them on Instagram. I'm not sure if I found them or they added me, and then I browsed their page. And normally I don't approach companies or anything like that, but I sent them a message. I was like, your box seems awesome, because I saw some photos, some sneak peeks. And then they were so nice to send me a box. So I am super excited. I have it here in front of me now. I have opened their page so I can tell you a little bit about it. So it says Glimzy. For $25 per month, receive 4 to 6 full-size beauty products valued at over $100. So I will leave that link below. I also believe they sent me a promo code. I have not opened the box yet, so I will open that now and see if that's in there. Right, when I open the box, this is what I see. So it's all wrapped nicely in tissue paper. And there is a note here. It says kitty, so let me open this up. That's super nice. And there's a thank you card. All right, I'm going to read this card because it's really cute. So look how much they did a handwritten note. It says, "Dear Kitty, thank you for reviewing our box. We are so excited to share these products with you and hope you love them as much as we do. A little bit about us. We are founded by a group of students at the University of Minnesota. We are supported by the founder of Sigma Beauty, who's also an alum of the university. You can expect to see potentially more Sigma Beauty products in future boxes. Feel free to share the code KITTY10, I will leave that down below, with your viewers so that you can receive 10% off their first subscription box." And then it says, each month subscribers will receive 4 to 6 full-size beauty products valued at over $100 for only $25. Subscriptions can be canceled at any time through their website. Thanks again, and we hope you enjoy your box. And then it's from Valentina, the CEO and co-founder of Glimzy. So that is so nice, and how cool that they're affiliated with Sigma. That's a sneak peek of something that's in the box, according to their Instagram at least. All right, and then there is a nice card. Wow, isn't this is really awesome for a first box. Wow, it says Glimzy Birthday Bash. Thank you for joining us for our first box. We handpicked each product featured, and we hope you enjoy them as much as we have. Share your excitement by tagging us through hashtag Glimzy Birthday Bash. And then on the back it says all the products with the pricing, which is awesome. Sometimes I've seen that newer boxes, they don't always include this information, but they did. And there is a cat here now. They usually join me about a minute or two in, and this is what I see inside the box. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot believe this is their first one. I haven't even showed you guys what's in it, but okay, well, first off, there is a sticker. This is their logo, Glimzy. And I'm just going to show you the first thing on top because this is so exciting, and you already kind of got a sneak of what is coming. A Sigma brush. Oh my god, this is the Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush. I don't have this one. I've seen other people use this. I love Sigma brushes. I used several today, actually. I think I used 2 or 3 today in my eye when I was doing my look. I have a bunch of them. I think I mentioned it before. I got really lucky and won a giveaway, and I won $400 worth of Sigma brushes. These are pretty much an investment. These are super good quality, and this looks like an awesome shader brush. And now that I'm doing all these looks this week, or the next 2 weeks, with the Riviera palette, and I always do eye looks anyways every day, this will totally come in handy. So let's see. So this is, like I said, the Sigma Beauty E55 Eye Shading Brush. It says the Sigma Tech fibers are perfect for applying both cream and powder eyeshadow product, and this has a retail value of $16. Sigma brushes are pricey, but they last forever. They're super good. You can clean them all the time, and they're still awesome. So again, that is what it looks like. This feels awesome. This is a totally legit Sigma brush. That is so cool that they are affiliated. Even the little packaging has the Sigma logo. That is so cool that they have that affiliation. I didn't know the Sigma founders were from Minnesota. I'm a Midwest girl myself. I'm from Illinois. All right, next thing I see is wrapped up nicely and secure in some bubble wrap, which I'm going to give to my cat and might regret in a moment. Emmy! My cats really do well with my subscription box addiction. They get a lot of goodies too. Anyways, this is by The Balm. This is the Smoke Balm with foil. Volume 4 foiled eyeshadow palette. Warning, may cause sparks to fly. So I love the Balm packaging. That is super cute. So that is what that looks like. And then there is the back of the packaging. So let's see what is inside. I really like the Balm. I have at least two of their eyeshadow palettes, like the Nude Tude palette and then the Meet Your Matte Maker or whatever. I like both of those. So underneath that outer packaging, it looks the same. And then on the back though, it looks a little different. It actually gives you some instructions on how to apply the shadows to your eyes, which I think is really useful, especially if you're a beginner. So that is awesome. And then there's a little mirror too, and these colors are super pretty. These are like everyday colors, so you can see there's a little mirror on top, and then these are the shadows. I'm gonna swatch them. They look super pretty. Oh my god. So it's the shadow names are Striking, Luminous, and Smoking. So I am going to... So that's on my fingers. Looks really pretty. Ooh, I love Striking. That is so pretty. Sorry, I'm not holding those up very well, am I? But yeah, that is just a quick swatch from my finger. So pretty. I'm super excited to use these. I know I'm like on a little like creative journey with this Riviera palette, but after that, like this is totally up my alley, like everyday shades. Super pretty, and you can like make it more smoky if you want to. Like it says, smoking hot eyeshadows. I love that there is a little mirror in here too. So this is small and compact and a mirror, so you can like bring this with you on the go. Like it's super awesome. So let's read more about this. So this is, like I said, from The Balm, the Smoke Balm Volume 4. It says, create the perfect smoky eye with this trio of complementary matte and metallic eyeshadow shades. The retail value of this is $14. So between the two, we're already at $30, which is more than what you pay for the box, which is $25. All right, next thing I see is by a brand you know I like. This is by Wonder Beauty. This is a mask. I actually used one of their face masks last night. It's not this one though. I used the peel off mask that I received in my Boxy Luxe, and I liked it. I did put it like a little bit too close to my hairline, so it was hard to get off, but otherwise it did not hurt like at all. And I liked it, so I'm super excited to try another mask by them. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. This looks similar to their other mask. I really like the color of this bottle. But this is $38. Wow. So let's read about it. So it's the Wonder Beauty Extended Stay Hydrating Mask. An excellent addition to any skincare routine. This lightweight mask is enriched with vitamins, antioxidants, and fruit extracts to leave your skin feeling more hydrated. Awesome. Let's see how you use that. So you apply a generous layer, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off. You can use it at morning or night, or you can even leave it on overnight for extended hydration. That's what I wanted to see, because sometimes I like using masks like this, the hydration ones. When I have really dry skin, I leave them on overnight and then just wash them off in the shower in the morning. So that's probably what I'll do with this. So that's awesome. I'm really excited about that. And that's $38. Oh my god. And then there's two products by Chela. Oh my gosh. If you guys follow my channel, like I was obsessed with their Chela eye pencil. I ran out of that a while ago and I have not repurchased it. But it looks like there is a beautiful blonde eyebrow cream. So that's awesome. This is a blonde, so that's like personalized like for my hair color, you know. That's awesome. Because before, I think I got this same exact one in a past BoxyCharm, but it was in taupe and it was like a little dark. So let's see what the blonde looks like. Let me get the plastic off it, but that is what the outside looks like. It might be a little reflective because there's still some plastic on it. All right, so there's two ends to this. One end is the actual brow product, and the other is a brush. So if you have BoxyCharm, you may have used this in the past, but let's see what the blonde looks like. So I put a little bit on my hand right here, and that does look like it will match my coloring well, so I'm really excited about this because I've used this. I know the formula is good. I like the formula, so I'm super excited to get it in a color that matches me better. And I think this is a good price too. Let's see. Yeah, this is $26. So it says the Chela Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This dual-sided brow product is perfect for creating an effortless brow look. Simply remove the cap to reveal a brush and unscrew the bottom to reveal the product. I'm so happy about this. I know it comes. And then there's a Chela Ivory Lace Highlighter. So this is what the packaging looks for the highlighter. Let's see. And then here is the actual highlighter stick itself. I've never tried this product from Chela, so I'm super excited about that. So this is when you would have to sharpen. And there is that, if you can see it. I heard like there's a lot of ways you could use these. Some people use them to do cut creases. I'm gonna try and do that this week. I'll use this. Yeah, that could be a good way to try it out. I'll use this with my Riviera palette because you know I'm using that every day. Like I've probably said way too many times. But this is pretty. I'm excited to try this. It's so creamy and smooth. So let's read about it. It says the Chela Beauty Highlighter Pencil, perfect for highlighting beneath your brow, spot concealing, and lining your waterline. Oh, I'm almost out of mine for waterline nude stick, so that's awesome. And your inner corners for the eye for an open look. This multitasking pencil truly does it all. It really does, yeah. Spot concealing too. I never even thought about that. I'm super excited to use this because the formula feels really nice. And this is $20. Wow. So I'm gonna grab my phone and let's add up the total value of this box. Wow, the total value of this box, if you can see, is $114. I am like floored. I cannot believe this is their first box ever. All of these are well-known, like good high-end brands. First of all, a Sigma brush. I don't think I've ever gotten a Sigma brush in any subscription box before, so they've got the connection with Sigma. That's awesome. I love Chela, like I said. I already know I like the Formula of One. Super excited to try the shade match. I love the balm. I think these colors are perfect, like easy, like in like just the portability of this, the fact that it has a mirror, and I was just looking, it looks like it's like a matchbook or something. That's funny. And then I love Wander Beauty. I just used the mask last night, like I said, and I really like that one, so I'm excited to use this. I think I'm gonna wear it overnight. My skin's been a little bit dry since I've been using some like retinoid treatment at nighttime, so yeah, A+, they did such a good job. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Glimzy. I love it. I highly recommend it. If you guys are interested in this box, I will leave the link down below along with their discount code so you can save 10%. So that code will be below. It is Kitty10, but I'll leave it all in the description box if you forget. So now I will let you know what is on my eyes today. I did a slightly similar look to yesterday. Well, not completely, but I did a state all in my crease. And then I went with Monte Carlo, this pink color, and I also worked that into my crease. And then all over my lid, I did use the Seaside color, which honestly is pretty similar to Mediterranean, just like a little lighter. On the eyes, I think it does look kind of the same as yesterday. Maybe like a little bit more of a purple, like a lavender shade. And then on my lower lash line, I used Yacht. So that is it for today. So yeah, this box is so great, you guys. I can't wait to see what else they come out with. So definitely check them out. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.